How to permanently delete your Instagram account. If you want to permanently delete your Instagram account, this video will show you how to do it step by step. First, open Instagram and tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Tap the three-line menu in the top right corner and select Account Center.
And tap Manage Accounts.
Now, select the account that you want to delete by clicking on Manage, then tap Deactivation or Deletion. Choose Delete Account and tap Continue. Follow the on-screen instructions. You may be asked to select a reason for deleting your account and enter your password for verification. Finally, tap Delete Account to confirm your request. Your Instagram account will be scheduled for permanent deletion. Instagram usually gives you a 30-day period before the account is permanently removed, during which you can log back in to cancel the deletion if needed. That's how you can permanently delete your Instagram account. If you find this video informative, click like, share, and subscribe for more videos.